Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can know who liked you on Tinder app. So for that just open your Tinder app on your mobile phone. Now you can see below there are many options. Now click this middle option on your mobile screen. This is star option. When you click on this, now here you can see an option called who liked you. Just click on this option. When you click on this option who likes me, now here as you can see who likes you and match with them instantly with Tinder Gold. But here you can see it's asking you select a plan. So there's a month plan and 6 month plan. It's monthly subscription if you are using Tinder app. So you have to buy this monthly subscription. And here you can see the descriptions. After buying subscription, just simply when you click on continue, now you will have a premium subscription. And now in premium subscription you will have an option to find out who likes you on this Tinder app.